That was so cute, right? But how many scenes actually that show Yuri-chan crying like that? Specifically in the first episode, do you think the amount is enough to give you a healing mood? Alright, let's find out. As you can see at the bottom left corner, we are in the first episode of the anime with an original duration of 24 minutes. The first cry appears at the minute 3, second 14. Yep, the crying you saw in the earlier scene was Yuri-chan's first cry in this episode. Okay, let's watch it once again. I can't handle the cuteness. Let's keep going. The next crying, it's at minute 7, second 16. How is it? Starting to feel the healing? But Yuri-chan says, go away from here. You're actually being kicked out in this scene. Unfortunately, not long after, another crying scene appears and teases you. Exactly at minute 7, second 43. Wow, the voice acting is very impressive and makes the scene feel so natural. Do you think the scene establishment in this anime is exaggerated or still standard? Wow, that's quite a question. Okay, let's move on to the next scene. And not too far ahead, we will slide to minute 8, second 23, when Yuri-chan's vocal sound effects are still trying to drive you away. However, extreme close-up scenes that highlight a character's face from an ultra-close distance like this often appear to convey highly complex emotional effects. Since this is the first episode, the development of scene establishment is still focused on this adorable character. That's why the director uses a lot of extreme close-up framing to emphasize just how cute this character is, further enhanced by the incredibly charming voice acting. Although the beginning of the scene is filled with cute crying, the twist that occurs at minute 9, second 57 is very clear. It shifts the emotional tone to something even more adorable and cheerful. The final cry can only be seen at minute 11, second 5. That's because the next following scene is a flashback that introduces Yuri-chan's daily life before meeting the office girl. What do you think? Have you healed enough? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. No need to like. See you next time.